Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. This little vacuum sealer from FoodSaver is a perfect companion to my FoodSaver storage bags. I think vacuum sealing food is such a great idea, and this one makes doing so easy. When I first got this, which was about 2 or 3 years ago, which speaks to its quality, but when I first got it, I loved how user-friendly it was. There was no big setup, no learning curve. You just put it where it needs to go and press the button. It was that simple. I also love that it holds a charge. Once I charge it completely, I can leave it for a few days and come back to it and it still has a charge, which means I can vacuum all day, every day. Okay, maybe not all day, every day, but you get the idea. In addition to helping me save food, it also saves space. Both the vacuum and the charging dock are small and compact, which means it doesn't take up any counter space and I can store it just about anywhere. This is one of those kitchen gadgets that I'm really happy I got. It's little, but it makes a big difference. That's my point of view.